So in this video, we are going to talk about some of the do's and don'ts of a charging hub of a DJI that DJI doesn't tell you. We're also going to discuss some of the do's and don'ts of a DJI charging hub to make sure that you use it properly without damaging it. This information is very useful in case you didn't know, and DJI doesn't say this. So stick around as we go through all this so that you don't miss out this information. If it is your first time here, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I know it is something small to you, but it really means a lot to this channel because it helps a lot to be noticed by the algorithm. Are you done liking and subscribing? Alright, let's continue. Let's assume you have sealed the deal and got yourself a DJI Mini 2 Fly More combo, or you just bought the charging hub separately. Obviously, the DJI Mini 2 charging hub or any charging hub is very useful because it helps you to charge other devices separately. You can even charge your phone through a charging hub, or you can charge the remote controller. Now listen, here is the fatal mistake you are doing. Many people normally after using their drone, they get their charging hub, they charge all the batteries. They leave 2 batteries in the charging hub and 1 in the drone. But it turns out this is the worst mistake you are doing. In fact, if you are doing it right now, first go and discharge those batteries. Yeah, I'm serious about it. Are you done discharging those batteries? Now listen to this. Whenever you leave your fully charged batteries sitting inside your drone or your charging hub, you risk one thing. You risk shortening the lives of your batteries, and this is the thing you don't want to do. Now here is one thing that's worth knowing. These batteries are not like those regular batteries that you normally use. These are called intelligent flight batteries. And they are called intelligent flight batteries for a reason. These batteries have 6 terminals, which is not normally common with regular batteries. Inside these batteries, there is a battery management system or BMS that monitors the battery's health. It monitors the charging and discharging of the batteries to ensure that the battery lives in good conditions. The drone also has a Type-C charging port, so you can charge one battery at a time inside your drone also. DJI as a company uses batteries that are called lithium polymer batteries. And one fact about these batteries is that they hate being stored fully charged. So if you try to surf about the data sheets of these batteries on the internet, if we take a look at one of the user manual for the DJI Mini 2, it says the DJI Mini 2 Intelligent Flight Battery features a 7.7 volts, 2250 milliamps battery with a charging and discharging functionality. Technically, this means that the DJI Mini 2 Intelligent Flight Battery has the functionality of charging and discharging itself. Now, according to this section 2, it adds on and says that the battery discharges after being idle for 5 days. Due to the discharging functionality, it is also normal to feel some heat during this process of discharging the battery cells. Part 2 says auto-discharging functionality to prevent the swelling of the battery. When fully charged, the battery approximately discharges to 96% of the battery level. Now the next part talks about the battery features. One of the battery features is balanced charging. It says during charging, the cells of the batteries are automatically balanced. Now there is one thing that's worth knowing here. The battery does not auto-discharge when stored in the charging hub or in the drone. Now this has the potential to harm your battery to become unusable, dangerous, or even worse, swelling. Now it is absurd that DJI as a company doesn't talk about this. I was surfing the internet and found out that there is one person who got the same problem with his DJI batteries. So he contacted DJI, but DJI only responded by saying, alright, we'll update the user manual. So due to this matter, you need to be very careful with your batteries. This issue of overcharging the batteries does not only damage the intelligent flight batteries, a big threat and can also damage regular batteries. This explains why sometimes when you buy your phone, you find it at around 60% or 50%. Some phones like for Samsung also have a setting which allows you not to overcharge your battery. In this setting, it allows you only to charge your phone up to 85% to increase the battery's health. Ideologically, this is trying to prevent your battery from being overcharged, hence increasing its serving lifetime. So far, if you are still with me, still watching this video from all the way I started, please don't hesitate to give it a like. It is really important and it helps the algorithm to notice this channel. Thank you. The like button is down below this video. Smash it and we continue. Now here is the tip. When you are not going to use your batteries, it is recommended to discharge them between 40% and 65%. DJI also says that it is important to discharge and charge your batteries after every 3 months when you're not using them. This helps them to keep them healthy. And also you should use official DJI products like chargers, etc. Here is the bonus tip. Have you ever noticed that the charging hub can show you whether the charger is faster or slower? LEDs on the charging hub blink faster. It shows that the charging hub is charging way faster. But when it blinks slowly, it shows that the charging process is slower because the charger is very slow. Another thing to notice is that whenever you try to discharge the battery through the charging hub decides to discharge the battery with the least charge. I don't know why this is the case. It is a bit annoying, but that is what it is. This can help you to monitor the best charger for your charging hub. Now, one other thing I noticed about the charging hub and the DJI batteries, whenever you plug in the USB to the charging hub, it first charges the battery with the most charge. I don't know why this is the case, but it's the fact. Alright, this is all the information I have for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. Bye.